Welcome to this video in Casablanca, and this is the Hassan II Mosque. Just wanted to show you around this very quickly. So most people don't understand the size of this place, and it is huge. It is huge. So maybe if you've seen it in pictures or videos, you will never comprehend the amount of complexity in regards to the size, the scale, the amount of artwork that goes into constructing something like this. And it was built by the king's father, and it is named Hassan II, and it is a beautiful place. They open it at certain times, so when we turned up, they weren't allowing any people. We had to wait another 30 minutes before we can enter, because I think they stagger the amount of people that can come in at any one time. The complex itself is very huge, and you do have a car park underneath all of this, as well as a hammam apparently. So we're just gonna have a look inside the actual mosque. So that's the large tower, which is very iconic, of course, and obviously you can see it from very, very far as well. The mosque is also iconic and known because it is on the sea. Look how big the door is. Huge. So look how big the doors are on the mosque. So I'm not sure if non-Muslims are allowed in or not, but we'll soon find out, because there are a few tourists who obviously are here as well. It's my first time visiting this place. So yeah, there are security here who probably don't allow you in without a headscarf. So even the scale of this place on the inside is magnificent. This is amazing. So the amount of architecture, if you appreciate architecture, if you appreciate art, if you appreciate religious buildings, then this is a place. So this is an amazing mosque, as you can tell. Great architecture, great design, very tranquil as well. So I really hope that the scale and the magnitude of the size of this place is portrayed on your screens, because you cannot comprehend it just through a lens. And the place is beautiful as well. Certainly a place you need to come and visit for yourself. One of the most iconic mosques in the country.